Sure. My name is Dr. David Schein. I'm a professor and associate dean at University of St. Thomas. But prior to that, and still continuing, I provide advice to businesses of all sizes, nonprofits and for-profits, about important issues in employment and human resources.
Okay, so let's talk about that. If you don't have the money, you can't keep them working, all of that. And what you said was that means employers will have to be laying people off, obviously.
So if an organization does have revenue coming in, but the revenue is reduced or other problems are happening, cash flow issues like not everybody's paying these days, then a possible solution is to do a reduction in pay versus a reduction in force. In another alternative to completely shutting the organization down, obviously, is what I just said, and that's an RIF, a RIF. And in fact, many people who are in corporate America, especially in the oil industry based here in Houston, can tell you they've been RIFed. And RIF stands for reduction in force. And this is where a organization looks forward and says, how many people do we need on the payroll to get everything done next week? And gee, we've got 1,000 people on the payroll and we only need 600 of them. So we're going to have to furlough, lay off, or a couple other terms, to get down to where our staffing balances our current reduced workload. Now, for those people, they will be eligible for unemployment benefits, and the unemployment benefits have been enhanced. Here's where people are going to start missing rent payments and things are going to get real extreme in a hurry, and that is that the TWC has been hit with an unprecedented demand for unemployment claims. And what I heard in the news yesterday is they're going to move 600 staff people from other positions at the TWC just to claims processing to try and get people's unemployment checks out. So the bad news is, could be a delay even in receiving those unemployment benefits. The good news is that the unemployment will probably very readily. Very few of the unemployment claims will be rejected or have to do additional administrative attention, but also that there will be enhanced benefits. Part of the CARES Act includes what I believe is a $600 a week enhancement. Also, local and state governments will be able to borrow significant billions of dollars from the federal government to help fund these unemployment pools, because normal unemployment premiums paid by employers won't support the level of unemployment claims we're having.
Very good. Thank you, David, very much, because this is so timely, and this is like the second or third session we've done this, and we'll keep on doing them as the news media calls it, breaking news. So when something else is announced, David, I'll get back with you, but I don't want to ever go without saying that David is the author of a book called The Decline of America, 100 Years of Leadership Failures. So get this book. It's a great book for research if you want to know more about the different presidents. Starts with Woodrow Wilson, I believe, wasn't it, David?
Woodrow Wilson through Barack Obama, and kind of an epilogue that talks about the Trump election.
Very good. So you can get this book from the website, or you can go to Amazon, and we will, so that's available on Amazon to get in either print format, ebook, or audio. No, not audio yet. We're working on the audio, getting that ready. So go get your copy today, read about the decline of America. So David, thank you again. Love all, I mean, you're just like a wealth of information, and I love being able to share that so that we can have more people find out who you are and how valuable you are through this time that we're going through right now. So thank you.
Thank you, Sandy. Take care.